Hi guys, so this is Natalia in New York City, and today is day 2 of the makeup series, or I decided to call it the makeup series. But anyway, so what else should I say? You might notice that I changed my hair color. Today I am more of a brunette. I loved my blonde hair. I had it almost for a year and a half, but you do have to give your hair a little break because dyeing it constantly is not the best thing. It does look very nice, but time to give it a little break. So anyway, I'm gonna take advantage of this brunette chocolate color that I got, and I decided to make a tutorial on smoky eyes. So feel free to pull this look of if you have dark eyes like mine, or if you have bright eyes, because it might make them pop even more. I usually use this look for night events. Rarely I use it during the day unless I'm going to like some sort of like late afternoon date maybe, but otherwise I only use it when I'm going out to have fun, let's say that way. So as I did it in video number 1, I will be using video and I'm gonna be using. So as in video number 1, I will be using BNTC products, and I am very excited because I've been trying them constantly and they are so great for your skin and the outcomes. When you apply them, you really see a big change in your skin, your makeup, everything. So I'm excited to share that with you. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to pull my hair back a little bit. I'm gonna use this headband so I can really get my hairline exposed. Let's pull my hair back, and I'm gonna start with prepping my face with the CC Serum. And here it is a vitamin C serum by BNTC. And I love this because again, I had said it before, it smells so wonderful and it has a great absorption on your skin. It takes literally, I want to say like a good, I don't know, 10 seconds to apply it on your skin. And this is how I like to prep for my makeup, and I just let it sit. I don't have to worry about doing anything else. And they also have a great product, which is the tea tree oil, which I'm about to show you. And I haven't opened it yet, but you can either apply these before your makeup. I actually apply it after my makeup. It just gives me a good refreshing kind of like finish. It really depends on how heavy your makeup is, but anyway, here it is. It's wonderful. I'm looking forward to use it. It's actually includes green and white tea with fruits extracts, and I will be applying it at the end. All right, so we're gonna start with the foundation, and as I am applying the foundation, I want to share with you guys something that I started to do as of this last year for like my own mental health. So I started journaling. Journaling is a great tool that actually my psychotherapist introduced me to express my emotions and to express the way that I felt every day, or every other day if I felt like doing it every other day. And I have found it so helpful because in my journal I can say everything, emotions, thoughts, feelings, and I can actually go back to when I started doing it, and I can see how I felt in the beginning, or how I was doing in the beginning, and now how I'm doing. And it's amazing because you can really see a big change in your thought process, in your emotions, again, in your feelings. So if you guys have never tried it, I completely encourage you to do it. It really helps. I'm the kind of person, again, I'm using the foam today. A lot of people like to use brush for for their foundation, but I like to use the foam. Lately I've been using my own fingers. I kind of like apply it as as like facial cream, and it has turned out to be pretty good. But you know, and we're trying to be a little bit more professional here, so we're going with a tool. So we'll be done soon. I'm applying my concealer now. Here we go with the concealer. So now I'm switching my foam to the other corner or the other side to apply my concealer. I tend to go with my concealer a little lower in my lower lid. There we go. Be very gentle with this zone. Remember that the skin of your under lid is very delicate, and a lot of people tend to like rub it. Never rub your finger on your lower lid, never. Always pat it, pat. And always use this finger because according to beauticians and people that know about this finger is one of the weakest fingers, so you're not really putting a lot of pressure on your eyelid. Always pat. I don't know, I don't like to pull on my facial skin, only when I'm using my gua sha tool. All right, concealer is all done. Now let's do a little bit of contouring. All right, so for my contour, I'm gonna use the Beauty and the City Face and Body Bronzer. Here it is. And this one has coconut oil and aloe, and I have used it usually for my cheeks, but today we're gonna use it a little bit over my hairline, just again to give it a little bit more contour and a little bit over my chin. So just to be on the safe side, we're just gonna tap and tap. A lot of people like to apply it on the brush. I am a little bit afraid of doing that because as I said, I haven't still mastered this particular technique. So I'm a little bit afraid of like messing up my whole look. And look at that. By the way, the bronzer actually gives you a very nice glow. So don't be afraid of applying the bronzer for day looks too, right? It's not only for night looks, it's also for day looks. I love this particular bronzer. It smells also very delicious. Very delicious. There we go. All right, good. I think it came out pretty good. What do you guys think? I hope you guys think the same. All right. Okay, let's finish this with a little bit of setting powder. And we're gonna move on to the eyes, which is kind of like the highlight of this tutorial. All right, so I applied my setting powder, and we're gonna move on to defining the under eyebrow area and then the eyelids. So for the underbrow area, we're gonna go with a lighter eyebrow shadow, very light. There we go. You just need a little bit, you don't need a lot. Okay, good. Now we're gonna move on to the dark color, right? So for a smoky eye, it's important to kind of like really smudge this eyeshadow in your eyes, and make sure that you go in kind of like the crease too. I'm trying not to fall in the habit of like frowning. Speaking of wrinkles, oh my god. So here we go. Look at this, turning pretty nice. I spent a good few seconds just doing this, and then we're gonna do the bottom one too. All right, so here we go. Smoky eye on one side, coming to the second eye in a minute. Okay, so both eyes are done, and I'm going to enhance the waterline with the Beauty and the City Ultimate Eyeliner in Ninja Color. And I'm really gonna get close to the inner part of my eye just to make sure that I get the entire length. A lot of people leave it halfway, but I really get close to it. A lot of people actually use their eyeliner to create this look too, which I find fascinating. I'm like, wow, good for them. I wish I could do that. Maybe I'll try it in one of the tutorials. Okay, looks pretty good. Maybe we can try a little bit on the top eyelid too, just to enhance our look. And we're gonna smudge it too. Make it a little deeper, more intense on top. Oh, okay. That's probably like odd, but here we go. It will never hurt to have extra dark color in the top lid. Oh, look at that. It's almost like an ombre. Nice, nice. All right, let's fix this other side. Very nice. All right. I thought I had messed up the look, but it didn't. It actually looks nicer. All right, great. Moving on to my eyelashes. Okay. So I already have mascara, but we're just gonna pop my eyelashes a little bit more by using Beauty in the City Volumizer mascara. And don't forget, this mascara has microfibers to make your eyelashes longer and make them look fuller. That's my trick. I forgot, I just in case. I'm the kind of person that has to close her eyes to actually apply the mascara, and that helps my eyelashes really like pop. So one more time, look at this amazing brush, and you could probably see, let me see if you guys can see them, the microfibers. Maybe, but anyway, they're right there, and I guarantee that your eyelashes will look amazing. Okay, let's finish this look with a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlighter, and some lips. Hey guys, so this look is almost finished. So I applied a matte lip gloss, and now I'm applying my highlighter on top of my cheeks and a little bit with my finger in the bridge of my nose. And sometimes I like to apply it in my inner eyes too, just to give them a little bit of like a cuter look. Turned out to be pretty good look. Nice. All right, so we're gonna finish now with what I mentioned guys before, the tea face mist. And for this one, it smells pretty nice, very soft. So I usually go like this. If you don't want to mess up your hair, you know, you can put a towel on top, which is completely fine. I'm actually going to put my headband one more time to pull my hair back a little. And make sure that you apply it a little bit, like not completely close, because you don't want the spray to hit just one spot. You want kind of like the overall distribution of the product on your face. So just I want to say about like 6 inches away, and that's all you need, right? And you just let it sit, and your look is finished. After that, you can do whatever you want with your hair, and you're good for your date and for your fun night out. Thank you for joining me today for my smoky eye tutorial, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you another day with another makeup look. Bye bye.